It's already looking better. I got all this. I started up there, started tightening up under here, insulated the pipe. Hopefully you can see that up under here. We got the wiring cleaned up, supported up here. We got the pipe water lines insulated. Those two that are hanging down, we're going to cut back and put valves on instead of those plugs. This wiring hanging down, I still have to work on it to support it. Get it up under there. This is the propane line. I think I'm going to take it apart here at this T, and I'm going to run through these knockouts and then get it up into the underbody. And then now we're down here with this mess, doing this part. See what we can come up with. Just leave their scrap everywhere. That I want to get some loom around. At least get a small piece in there. I can get a small piece and put it on the edge just as an edge protector. Alright, so let me get a loom, piece of that loom right here around all that. So we'll do that like that. Now I got this massive stuff here. I got that I want to get, because that's just gonna eat through that if it hasn't already. I need to get a piece of that up here. It would be nice to get a piece of insulation on that. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Let's see if I can get, I don't know if I can get. Alright, that way we got protection on these edges all the way around. And then clean this out. This is a mess. And of course I have all the wiring in there with it. A piece of scrap wire. You got wires everywhere on both sides of the pipe, of the water line. Go ahead and zip tie that up, I guess. There's really nowhere. If they would have ran it down this side through and had come down this side, we could have put it right in the ledge. I could drill a hole and use it for a tie wrap. Just have to be careful. Look at that. Can you believe they actually used a piece of loom in this build? That's amazing. I got clips here and they didn't even use them. Look at that. That's what you gotta do. Anyway, I'll come back and drill holes, a couple holes, and tie wrap these up like this so they're out of the way. And then this, I need pipe insulation, and then get that up there like it should be. Try to insulate that, and then get that up on that side where it should be. It works. It's a pain in the butt, but it works. Huh. It'd be nice if I could just pop them. That ain't gonna work though. Okay, I think while I'm here, did I have a little piece of that pipe insulation left or did I use it all? So I gotta go from there to like there, I guess. What would have been nice is just to have some builders that really gave a crap about what they made. I told Vic it makes me just want to build my own camper. I can do better than them. She shut me down. Shut me down. Man, a cargo conversion, you're about halfway there with a cargo trailer. Look at this, they got, I just saw this one bracket for the freshwater tank. It's got one self-tapper holding it. 44. That's a heck of a self-tapper. I'm gonna have to put one in there. And this thing's bent. That's why. Instead of them fixing it so they could get a second, they just left the one. I can't believe this thing hasn't already fallen apart going down the road looking at it. Listen, I've already got it figured out. I can buy the cargo trailer. We can keep this one, buy the cargo trailer, and then all I gotta do is buy all my parts and stuff and start building it. That'd be a fun project.